I'm working on doing some fun little projects for like Christmas presents this year. My painting. Did I start a painting? Did I start a painting? You know, isn't it cute? Like, the perfectionist in me wants to take it all apart and like fix the parts that I fucked up, but the like creative in me is like, no, it's your first try. It's okay to not be perfect at everything your first time. You know? Oh, painting my walls, yes. Well, my downstairs wall is finished. Did you see it on Twitter? Hi, Jess! Look at I macrame'd. I did a little macrame project. Isn't she cute? It's a little pot holder. And I just happen to have this perfect little pot. Well, it's a little cup Sierra made me in elementary school. Well, maybe it was high school. I can't remember now. It doesn't have a date on it like some of our other projects. She used to make me all these little projects, like this is from Sierra's birthday in 2012. I have some other little dishes. Like I have a dish like on my nightstand that Sierra painted me. A cup that we painted together. Some other little bowls and plates and things. I know, she's such a wholesome little bean. She's so cute. Did I tell you she used to have a shrine of me on her nightstand? Yeah, so I posted, you know, I think it would probably be easiest to find it on Discord. I think I posted finished product on Discord, but there is a tweet if someone has the tweet they could post. Isn't it cute? I feel so creative and crafty. I had forgotten that I had to get up super duper pooper scooper early to take Maple to go get his like oil changed, and the place he goes to do his oil change, they just like take your car all day, so you like drop it off at 8 a.m. and then also my thing broke. My little ring broke. So they like, can I hang it on their head? Maybe not. Okay. So he had to drop it off at like 8 a.m. which for me is like the ass crack of dawn. I mean to leave before 8 a.m. because I had to be there at 8 a.m. So that was like the ass crack of dawn. And then I was like, okay, I'm all ready to start stream. And he's like, you have to take me to go get my car now. And I was like, oh, yeah. That was 2 hours ago. There was like a huge like multi-car collision gunking up the entire drive home, and I was sitting there and I was like, why is this just the way my week is going? Like I was all ready to start stream early. I'd like showered and like done my makeup and my hair, and I was like, you know, tired but like ready to go. And then he's like, are you gonna take me to get my car? Yes, I forgot about that. Yes, I can. Right? Like when you need to be somewhere, it always happens. Oh. Hi, Aki. How are y'all? Yeah. Friggin' heck. Frickety heckin' frick hex. Anyways, so yeah, sorry I'm at my normal time today. The usual late start. Do I want a Pinot Noir or a Cabernet, Zinfandel, Cabernet? I think I'm gonna go with a Pinot Noir.